difficult. Hey gang, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to be doing a little staycation vlog. If you don't already know, I love a solo travel and it's usually abroad, somewhere hot and gorgeous, but we're in a pandemic, we're in a panorama and I can't do that right now. So the next best thing is to go somewhere in London, and I'm going to be going for work purposes, staying in this gorgeous apartment that I booked not too long ago, and I'll be there for one night, creating content, practicing some self-care, all that good stuff. So I'm all packed. I look like a little fisherman, but I'm like so cozy right now. I've got like joggers on, my icy jumper and a khaki bucket hat for some reason. I've got a khaki bodysuit underneath, so you'll probably see the look when I get to the apartment. But yeah, that's it from me for now. See you later. Just waiting for the elevator. Here it is. 7th floor. Hey, hey. So I've got my paintings with me. Trekked them all the way here because I'm going to finish these this evening. Yeah, I'm excited just to get some work done, to be honest. Oh, I didn't even press the fob. Honestly, brain dead. So there we go. We're getting somewhere. Bloody hell. 707. Ooh, but it feels like cartoony down here, like it doesn't even look real. Okay, this is my room. I don't know why I'm whispering. Moment of truth. Sorry, I'm trying to like grab all my bags and film at the same time. Okay, I'm just gonna put all my bags on here while I go and check out the space, check out the new crib. Ooh. Oh, this is adorable. This is so cute. The main reason I picked this place is because this gorgeous pink sofa. I just thought it was adorable. And then the artwork here. It's just such an aesthetic. Then there's this gorgeous big double window, which is gonna let in so much light in the morning, which will be perfect for like natural lighting. Look at that light though. Oh my God, I can't wait to sleep in it. Gotta be done. Okay, don't break anything, Jade. Okay, this is the bathroom. It doesn't have a bath. There was like no apartments with a bath, which I was gutted about. How do I turn this light on? How do I turn the light on? How do I turn it on? Shower looks cool though. I mean, it's nice and big, isn't it? It's a vibe. I love a floor like shower that's like the same level as the rest of the bathroom. So that's cute. I wish I had a bath, but yeah, there wasn't many apartments with baths. This is it, darling. This is it. I'm liking it. It's nice. So I'm literally gonna just chill this evening. Yeah, I'm gonna get my painting done as well. So then in the morning, I can shoot myself, you know, with my paintings. I'm just gonna watch movies and edit videos and stuff. And just chill. I brought myself a vegan meal from Vibrant Vegan. They sent me some meals, so I'll be having that this evening with a bottle of wine. Let's put some tunes on and crack open that wine, darling. I have been a bit of a excessive alcohol drinker, that's what I'm gonna call it, over the past year in lockdown, just because of boredom, etc. So yeah, this is my last little drink. And then I'm gonna be a good girl and I'm going on like a cleanse with food as well. Oh, so I'm all settled in now. I've literally just planned the outfits that I'm going to be shooting, the content that I'm going to be shooting. And there's two kinds of girls in this world, you know. I have to have everything like laid out. I'm going to be practicing a lot of self-care, like I said in this video. So I've got my skincare from Wishful, and just like face masks and stuff, so I can get all cozy this evening. I swear guys, this apartment is so dark. Like I'm trying to figure out how to put lights on. Oh, there you go. So I'm gonna be eating today. I'm gonna be nice and healthy this evening. I was gonna order pizza. Oh my God, I've got an obsession with pizza. Like crazy obsession recently. Like I order it all the time. So I'm trying not to be bad gal Jade today. And I've got my Vibrant Vegan ready meal. This is Carolan coconut curry with turmeric brown rice and lentils. Looks really nice. Ooh, look at that. That looks good, baby. Oh yeah, I've got to shoot this as well. So these are Shake Baby Shake alcoholic beverages. And yeah, that's about it, darlings. I'm gonna, you know, do my self-care later on this evening after I've painted and stuff. I'm gonna also do a little live on Instagram. In my YouTube videos recently, I've just been like really like happy. I mean, I'm not saying I'm happy all the time because I'm really not, but I don't know, like I've been doing things that make me happy, and I think that's kind of what I'm trying to put across when I post, you know, my videos. Like I want people, not necessarily go and book yourself a hotel, but practice self-care, do, you know, do what makes you happy, try different things, try something new, you know. Wine is so good. This is like my favorite wine. It's Echo Falls. I'm sorry, not sorry. I'm northern. I'm, you know, I've got expensive taste sometimes, but at the end of the day, I love it. I love Echo Falls. Gorgeous. Cheers to me. Cheers to being free. Oh yeah, it was Valentine's Day yesterday. Nothing to report there, but yeah, happy belated Valentine's, everyone. I didn't get one card. Not one card. Not one secret admirer. I mean, I was offended. I was actually offended. Do people not do that anymore, or like am I just not getting them? I just don't think I'm getting them. I think it was more heightened because social media and everything, and we're all in lockdown, so I feel like it felt more like lonely, I'm Mr. Lonely, but really, I really don't really care. There's not really a great view here, I'm not gonna lie. It's not like unreal. Like these are just like apartment buildings. I wouldn't say it's like skyscrapers. I wouldn't say it's like skyscrapers, but it's cute or whatever. Hey, hey, hey. So I'm doing my Shake Baby Shake Instagram reel, and I'm just trying to think of a cool concept. I'm gonna like be dancing around, I think, and just like be drinking them and just like, yeah. I'm just gonna go with the flow. I just want it to be like really organic and natural. And I'm gonna use my tripods. This tripod I got from Amazon, and it's like a lifesaver. I think it cost me like 11, 12 pounds, something like that. And it literally extends as a stand. It's got the phone thing on it. It's got a self timer that clips out, but I've left it at home. But yeah, you get the gist. It's pretty handy. So I'm just gonna be having a couple tonight because I'm on holiday. Also, my outfit is by Shop by Blue. I was meant to wear this in the summer and stun on everyone, but coronavirus ruined everything. So I'm wearing it today in the house. Why not? That's the first part of the reel done, and I'm gonna drink some on the sofa. I'm gonna drink some in the shower. Can't drink some in the shower. I'll figure it out anyway, but yeah, I'll finish the rest off later. Now I'm going to eat my dinner. So put something more comfortable on because my boobies were popping out. So I'm gonna eat my Vibrant Vegan meal and let you know how it is. I'm ready, I'm ready. Let's go. So I've actually forgot what this is, but it's vegan. Just gonna like pile it on the plate. Woo! Oh, I'm not gonna eat all that. There's no, nah. Nice. I'm not a cute eater. And they've got like sweet potatoes in it as well, which I love. Oh my god, I need some more. The only thing I would want is salt, and there's no salt in this whole apartment, which is like really annoying. This broccoli is so nice. Like I've overcooked it, but it's like crispy. I don't mind it. Yeah, this is really good. Anyway, I'm gonna scoff in peace. So I finished my vegan meal. Pretty much. I'm gonna go on live and I'm gonna do some painting as well. I've got all my paints set up down here, my Stuart Semple paints and some canvases. This canvas is pretty much finished. I've just got to finish, well, I've just got to basically start this one. So I'm about to go on live. I'm gonna paint on this red painted canvas that I've done, and yeah, I don't really know what I'm gonna do yet. Obviously it's gonna be a woman, that's what I draw, but not sure what yet. I don't really go on Instagram live much just because it gives me a bit of anxiety. It's like, it's a weird vibe, but like I think once you start doing it more often it gets more comfortable. So let's see how it goes. I'll just like go on live and I'll just look at myself and be like, ugh, like I'll overanalyze myself, but I just need to not care about that. Do you know what I mean? Hey gang, what's up? I'm gonna paint tonight. I've been meaning to do this for the past few days, but life. Okay guys, so I've just been in the shower. It's time for skincare. So basically I use Wishful products. Let me bring you a bit closer, baby. So I use You Glow Ends Me Scrub, then I use Honey Balm, and then I use these two oils. This is Get Even Rose Oil. This is the Thirst Trap Juice. It's like got all these powerful ingredients that make you look beautiful, you know. So I'm gonna use this scrub first. I'm gonna go and do that in the bathroom. Baby, 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 Then I'm gonna use my Honey Balm, which is pretty much empty, and moisturize. These oils smell so good. Okay. That is that done. So now I'm going to drink my raspberry mojito by Shake Baby Shake and watch some telly. I'm cooking up. This is the face mask I've got on. I've even got it on properly. No, I haven't. This is Wishful Thirst Trap. I mean, you like a good thirst trap. Good night, guys. Mwah. Morning. So I've just been taking content, taking photos and stuff in this Studio SJR bodysuit and some joggers. This is what it looks like. So I've got some joggers on, the bodysuit, some shades, do-rag, gold jewellery. I mean, just extra really. Same but different. So I'm finishing off my Shake Baby reel, and I know it's the morning. I'm not drinking this, I promise. I'm literally just doing it for the photo because obviously it's nice lighting. I'm out, gang. I'm out. But first, oh my god, I've got paint all over my joggers. Wow. How did I not realise? When I was painting yesterday, I made a right mess. I spilt loads on the floor as well, but hopefully I've cleaned it all up. I'm a bit late checking out. I've got to pay an extra £10. Woo! Which is not too bad really, is it? Yeah. Had such a nice time, like really needed it. So for the rest of the day I'm just gonna go home I might even film at home, who knows. And yeah, basically just edit my videos, edit my photos and send them off for approval.
Thank you. Cheers. Yes, lovely, thank you. Very beautiful. Oh, it's done? Oh, thank you.
Home sweet home. Right. Right, so I just got home and ordered some food and I just feel brand new. That little time away really, it was needed. Cheered me up, and this is gonna cheer me up as well. So I ordered a Indian rice and spice, and it's all pescatarian, of course, because we don't eat meat. But they didn't send poppadoms. Why would I order all these sauces and not want poppadoms? It's ruined my experience. Anyway, I've had a really posy 24 hours. Did lots of content creation, a lot of me time, and yeah, I just reflected and like rebooted a little bit. This video might be a bit boring because I didn't really do much, but I thought, why not vlog it? Vlog my self-care, vlog my camera gal abilities, and yeah, get myself back on YouTube. I enjoy making videos and editing them and putting them out, so hopefully this is going to be like a weekly thing. I mean, so far so good. So yeah, just to finalize everything, I'm sending everyone love and light, and thank you so much for watching. If you do watch my videos regularly my food's gonna get cold. So yeah, as I was saying, if you do watch my videos weekly, then thank you. I'm going to be putting another one out next week, so look out for that. Love and light. Thank you for watching. Bye. Can't wait to eat this curry. Oh no. Oh no.